what's the most expensive part of my home when I'm remodeling a home? So I'm gonna try to answer this in under 90 seconds. Alright, the most expensive part, taking bathroom, kitchen, and addition. If you see by quantity, addition is gonna be more expensive because of the size of the involvement and obviously how big it's going to be. If you break it down per square foot, most expensive is going to be the bathroom. Bathroom are smaller and it's gonna be a more labor intense and also selections intense. For example, here's a bathroom. The number 2 will be kitchen. Kitchen will be another area where you can really spend tons of money. It's another kitchen example. So to break it down, if you divide per square foot, your bathroom is going to be number 1, kitchen number 2, and then the home addition. If you break it down by size, home addition is going to be the most expensive. Now, how do I know why is it more expensive? Let me just show it to you. And the home addition, for example, in this one, we're gonna do new windows, new siding, new roof. The best way, the only way to know is building a budget, knowing what to test, what's your selections, and building budget like this. For example, what's the demolition gonna look like, what size foundation is going to be, what size the house is going to be, how much framing do we gonna need. Just a complete understanding of what is going to take for us to build your home. So if we break it down, siding, it's somewhere into 35,000. Kitchens, cabinets could be easy $40,000, just kitchen cabinets. So plumbing, electric, now at the end, also your selections. So the short answer is, what's the most important part of your home? Bathroom. Kitchen number 2. And then if you do by square footage, same thing, bathroom number 1, kitchen number 2, and then the home addition. Home addition can range somewhere between $350 per square foot to $200. Now the sky's the limit. Kitchens could be somewhere between $800 per square foot to $400 per square foot. And the bathroom somewhere between per square foot. If you like to know more about it and learn more about what really your project is gonna cost, just fill up the form and we'll be more than happy to assist you. We put a full plan, understand your vision, your needs, and then help you kinda print your picture and give you guidance what next steps may look like. Take care.